Fleming Island, with its blend of coastal charm, modern developments, and traditional Florida homes, offers homeowners an opportunity to create living spaces that are as unique as the community itself. One of the most effective ways to elevate your home's look and function is through custom window designs. The right windows don't just let in light, they reflect the personality of your home, complement its architecture, and add lasting value. If you're considering window replacement or installation, here's how custom windows in Fleming Island can help you achieve beauty, efficiency, and harmony with your home's architectural style. The importance of custom window designs. Every home in Fleming Island has its own character. From Mediterranean-inspired houses with stucco exteriors to craftsman-style bungalows and sleek modern builds, architecture in this community is diverse. Standard windows may not always highlight these unique styles. That's where customization makes all the difference. Architectural consistency. Custom windows are designed to blend seamlessly with your home's lines and features. Enhanced curb appeal. Tailored designs create a polished look that stands out in your neighborhood. Personalized touch. You can choose shapes, finishes, and grids that reflect your personal taste. Coastal and Mediterranean homes. Many Fleming Island residences draw inspiration from Florida's coastal and Mediterranean roots. These homes often look best with windows that emphasize openness and light. Arched or radius windows highlight stucco finishes and curved rooflines. French casement windows, perfect for creating a breezy, coastal feel with unobstructed views. Light-colored frames. White or sand-colored finishes complement warm exteriors. These designs reinforce the airy, elegant style that defines coastal architecture. Craftsman-style homes. Craftsman homes in Fleming Island often feature earthy tones, strong lines, and natural materials like wood and stone. Windows for these homes should highlight craftsmanship and detail. Double-hung windows with divided lights provide a traditional, symmetrical look. Stained or wood grain frames pair beautifully with natural finishes. Wide trim designs emphasize the handcrafted look typical of craftsman architecture. Custom options help enhance the warm, timeless charm these homes are known for. Modern and contemporary designs. For homeowners with modern or contemporary properties, sleek window designs are key. These homes often feature clean lines, open layouts, and bold contrasts. Picture windows. Large panes of glass create dramatic views and minimalist appeal. Black or dark frames add contrast against light-colored exteriors for a striking effect. Floor-to-ceiling windows maximize natural light and connect indoor spaces with outdoor areas. Custom sizing and minimalist framing help modern homes stand out with sophistication. Traditional Florida residences. Many Fleming Island homes reflect classic Florida architecture with their spacious porches, gabled roofs, and inviting facades. These homes benefit from practical yet stylish window choices. Casement windows provide excellent ventilation for warm, humid summers. Bay and bow windows add dimension to front-facing living areas while enhancing curb appeal. Grids and divided lights offer a timeless, charming touch that fits seamlessly into traditional designs. These options balance function with familiarity, ensuring homes stay both comfortable and stylish. Why professional installation matters. No matter which custom window design you choose, professional installation ensures your investment looks and performs as it should. Precision fit. Custom windows must be installed carefully to match architectural lines. Energy efficiency. Proper sealing helps reduce drafts and lower energy bills. Long-term durability. Expert installation prevents warping, leaks, or structural issues. In Fleming Island's humid, storm-prone climate, professional expertise is especially important. Final thoughts. Choosing custom window designs in Fleming Island allows you to highlight your home's architectural style while improving comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. Whether you live in a Mediterranean-inspired villa, A craftsman bungalow, a sleek modern home, or a traditional Florida residence, there's a window solution tailored to your needs. With the right designs and professional installation, your windows will not only look beautiful but also stand strong against Florida's climate, bringing value, style, and comfort to your Fleming Island home for years to come.